Yo, what's going on? So, there's been a few updates to Minecraft, and I know some people out there like SkyGen servers like this one, and I'm pretty sure no one knows how to do the new execute command. Well, people know it, it's just I feel like you guys wouldn't want to have to learn it, because that's just a whole thing, but I'm just gonna show you the basics really. You're just gonna, for a SkyGen server, you're gonna make, I don't know, just make it SkyGen, why not? Then difficulty, you can leave it normal, advanced, world seed, doesn't really matter, flat world, course. You don't need starting map, you don't need bonus chests. Coordinates, yes. TN, fire spreads can go off, TNT can go off if you want. Mob loot, that's your personal decision. Natural regeneration, that's all you. Tile drops, that's all you. Enemy to respawn, that's all you. I recommend putting respawn radius on 0. Multiplayer, there's nothing here for you. Do you want to activate cheats? This is, you want this if you're gonna have like raids and stuff. Keep inventory, we'll have a setting for that later. Mob spawning, turn it off. Mob griefing, turn it off. Entities drop loot. It's personal decision, honestly. And then weather cycle, it doesn't really matter. Like you can have weather or not. It really does not matter. um, console commands, you're gonna want these 100%. Commands, blocks, you want these too. Education edition, I have it so I can mute people in the chat if they get too annoying. Resource packs, like I said, just personal opinion. Behavior packs also, I don't really use any of those because why not? And then for this stuff isn't really. I turn them all on because like why not? Because I really just do not care. Next major update's awesome. Cannot wait for it. And then yeah, that's basically it. So then after you have all that stuff on, you can create a world. Don't worry about this. I'm probably cheating. We don't talk about it. Alright, but here you go. Let me just turn these things off really quick. I'll just do. Okay. Anyways, so in this world, you're gonna start with absolutely nothing. But first thing you want to really do is just like get the basic commands down and stuff, like like this. These are just a simple scoreboard command. If you didn't know it, I'd be a little surprised. But how it works is you get a compensator. Redstone dust goes here. Get observer. Make sure the face is looking this way. The arrow should be pointing to this command block, and this command block should be scoreboard objective removed, M display. First thing you want to do actually is you want to do slash scoreboard objectives add M dummy. Want to do that one, and then the second one slash scoreboard objectives add M display dummy. You add both of those, and then all you have to do now is just place redstone here, and it should work. So this is test for at all. Then this is execute as at everyone. Run scoreboard players objective operation at P. M display equals at PM. So basically, the display and the other like um in the M, it will, okay, so the M will be the way that you like put money on the display, and the display is just its own thing. Like here, I'll show you here in a second actually. Then this command block down here is scoreboard objectives remove M display. Really easy. It's pretty simple honestly. And then have a chain unconditional always active, and it should be scoreboard objectives add M display dummy, then put these little brackets, not brackets, whatever they're called here, and then you can put in whatever name you want, and then you have to close it off to make it work. Then after that you do scoreboard objectives set display sidebar M display, and then the top one is scoreboard players add at everyone M0. So what it would look like when you're done is this. You got money on the side, and then it says your name or the player's name on the side. It's really simple and easy. I have another version of this that's way more complex, but it's amazing, and I'll show it to you right now. So this is the more complex version of the entire scoreboard command I showed over here. This one is just all this stuff. You can copy it down if you want. I got this off of somebody because I didn't make this, dude. I don't even know how to make these. I wish I did because I could probably do a lot of cool stuff with them. I mean, if you really want to take the time of your life, go search up a video on like personalized scoreboards and stuff and learn how to make this. But I just took it off somebody and I just used it for all of my worlds. Um, as you can see on the bottom, I have an online player thing. I can set that up, but I'm not going to. I could show you it though, like later. Um, then I have my money and I have my rank. I can do ranks with this one. I just have to copy this, put it here, then just change this to, I guess, owner, and then go all the way back up here because I already have the preset tags on here and stuff. I'm gonna have to remove that and slash tag as owner, and now I have the rank of owner. It's really simple, but just nothing really that big of a deal. Anyways, that's bad. That's just the complex version of this. It's really not needed at all. But this is really all you need for just something simple. And now we're gonna start getting into the gen commands. It has changed a little bit, but it should be pretty easy to get understanding of. Which, right, I guess I'll just show you right now. And after that little bitty period of time, I have these. So, look in here, you get slash set block, tilde 1 tilde dirt. That's just set a block up here. Then these two are where like the whole egg process becomes an actual thing. Go into this first one, it should be chain unconditional always active, and then you look into here, should be slash execute at e bracket type equals ally or whatever mob you want. Then you want to do comma name equals these, and then you want to put the name of the gen, which for me I'm going to put as dirt gen. Then you're gonna have to run a clone command. This is where the new execute stuff comes in at. You're gonna have to put an at or as for a type of mob or person, then run to run a command. It's really, really cool that they changed it around. You don't have to use like 3 of these anymore. So then you want to clone the coordinates of right here. What I do to get the coordinates is just do a slash fill and then hit tab. That's because I'm on keyboard and mouse. And after you do that, you have to put it in twice. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this. So then we got that, and then for this last one, it's where it's gonna clone to. So it's gonna execute on the ally, or whatever mob you pick, and it's gonna put the block -1 under the ally that spawns in. And then after that, you want the ally to disappear, so then you want to do slash kill at E type of the mob that you choose, and then you want to do a comma equals, make sure you have these, dirt gen, and then you want to close off the bracket. And after you do that, you will get a egg. You'll get an egg of the mob that you choose, and you want to rename it to dirt gen, log gen, stone gen, whatever gen that you're using right now. Then you want to place it down. All right. So after after that short brief of a thing, you do this. Boom. It works like a charm. Anyways, how I fix that situation is, yeah, these have to be facing the same way. Completely forgot about it. I'm not gonna lie. But hey, we all make mistakes somewhere. All right, well, so again, this just says slash set block tilde 1 tilde dirt, and new execute man, it is slash execute at or as for like a type of mob or a player. Then you want to run a command, so you do run clone, do the coordinates I showed you I do earlier. I'll put a picture of this up on screen. Don't worry about it. This one too. Slash kill at E type equals ally or the name, comma name equals, forgot what these things are called. I don't even care. Dirt gen. Make sure you do enclose them with those 2 dots in the sky. I don't remember the name. I'll figure it out after this video. Anyway, close it off with brackets, and bam, works like a charm. I know people are still looking at the old tutorials and not seeing that it is updated now, so people are getting confused, how it's not working. It's completely understandable. It's honestly nothing to really like get too beat up about. I mean, I'm making this so you could honestly see it better now, and so you could see this because a lot of people don't know this for some reason. But I mean, that's basically it, man. I'll catch you guys later. If you guys want to see another one, like another video on maybe a buy and sell thing, I can do that too. I'll show you like a simple one and maybe a complex one because I know how to do both. But I mean, it's pretty cool to have these kinds of servers. I mean, I can do multiple other kinds of commands with for any other server. If you guys want any like recommendations, just comment down below if you guys ever see this video. I hope you guys do because this could really help you out in the server. But I mean, that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else to do. Well, hope you guys have a good day, night, or afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Um, Catch you guys later, I guess. See ya.